Hello kids, let's learn about the capital letter A, B, C, D and the names of the animals. A is for alligator and this is a dark blue color. B is for bear and this is a dark green color. C is for camel and this is a red color. D is for deer and this is a yellow color. E is for eagle and this is a pink color. F is for fox and this is a blue color. G is for giraffe and this is a black color. H is for hippopotamus and this is a dark blue color. I is for inchworm and this is a dark green color. J is for jaguar and this is a orange color. K is for kingfisher and this is a yellow color. L is for lizard and this is a pink color. M is for macaw and this is a sky blue color. N is for nightingale and this is a purple color. O is for owl and this is a dark blue color. P is for parrot and this is a dark green color. Q is for quail and this is a orange color. R is for rhinoceros and this is a yellow color. S is for sheep and this is a pink color. T is for turtle and this is a sky blue color. U is for urchin and this is a black color. V is for vampire bat and this is a W is for wolf and this is a orange color. X is for xylophone and this is a yellow color. Y is for yogurt and this is a pink color. Z is for zebra and this is a sky blue color. Now let's learn them again. A for alligator, B for bear, C for camel, D for deer, E for eagle, F for fox, G for giraffe, H for hippopotamus, I for Indian elephant, J for jaguar, K for kiwi, L for lizard, M for macaw, N for nightingale, O for owl, P for parrot, Q for quail, R for rhinoceros, S for sheep, T for turtle, U for urchin, V for vampire bat, W for whale, X for xylophone, Y for yeast, Z for zebra. Wow, colorful ABCD. Bye-bye. See you next time in the next video. Thanks for watching.